12 Rose Succulents from Magical Fairytale Wonderland. Beautiful rose succulents are a newly trending plant that looks charmingly like a rose. Their tiny blossoming flowers resemble those from a fairytale wonderland. Rose succulents are even better than real roses because they do not wither, are extremely easy to grow, and provide the gardener with a lovely bloom all year. Rose succulents are even better than real roses because they do not wither, are extremely easy to grow, and provide the gardener with a lovely bloom all year. Rose succulents are pretty by themselves, on a screen with other succulents, or in a garden with other plants. 1. Greenovia Pink Phoenix. Greenovia Pink Phoenix is a succulent that is popular among collectors. Super cool bloom. They are so lovely and wonderful, like those from fairy tales. 2. Greenovia Aurea El-Hierro. Greenovia Aurea El-Hierro succulents are considered among the most sturdy plants in gardening. They are drought tolerant and have numerous methods of reproduction. They have leaves with a rose pink color. 3. Greenovia Aurea Purple Rose. Greenovia Aurea Purple Rose Succulent, are frequently known as mountain rose or Aeonium mountain rose, are very special and unusual among succulent enthusiasts. 4. Greenovia Dodrantalis. 10. Greenovia Diplocycla La-Gomera Peach. 5. Greenovia Little Enchantress. Greenovia Little Enchantress is a very unusual and desired succulent, as various colors of foliage make each specimen definitely special. Learn more at asucculent.com.